The following video will show you how to use the VOC-MOL to monitor volatile organic compounds in contaminated soil. The VOC-MOL allows you to quantitatively sample VOCs directly from contaminated land or along fuel pipelines onto a sorbent tube. It comes in 3 sizes and can be used in soil and areas of rock or concrete. In this video, we will demonstrate how to take a passive sample, but you can also use the VOC-MOL for pumped sampling by adding a brass fitting on top of the VOC-MOL cap and connecting a pump. Marks recommends the ActiVOC for low-flow pumped sampling. For passive sampling, you will need a VOC-MOL, consisting of the VOC-MOL body and the VOC-MOL cap, a brass impact former, a hammer, a conditioned sorbent tube with long-term storage caps, a cap lock tool and a diffusion cap. For pumped sampling, you would need your chosen pump and an active VOC-MOL cap. At the investigation site, push the VOC-MOL into the ground. Place the brass impact former onto the top and use a hammer to knock the VOC-MOL in until all holes are covered. Be sure to leave about 5 centimeters above ground. For hard ground such as rock or concrete, a pre-drilled hole may be required. The VOC-MOL can be also placed into existing boreholes. Multiple VOC-MOLs can be used according to the method you are following and can allow for cost-effective and rapid screening of large areas of land. Once the VOC-MOL is in position, the storage caps of your conditioned sorbent tube can now be removed using a cap lock tool. Once uncapped, remove the VOC-MOL cap and insert your conditioned sorbent tube, ensuring the sampling direction is correct. And tighten with the cap lock tool. Remove the remaining storage cap and push a diffusion cap onto the sampling end. You can now return the VOC-MOL cap ready for sampling. Typically, the VOC-MOL is left for 24 hours for the analytes to diffuse onto the sorbent bed. After the sampling period has passed, remove the VOC-MOL cap and extract the sorbent tube before sealing the tube with long-term storage caps and a cap lock tool. This will secure your sample for short-term and long-term storage. It is now ready for analysis. The VOC-MOL can be left in place for subsequent sampling or removed for storage. For more information, visit marks.com.